Hey, what's up, everybody? Fred McKinnon here with E-BusinessOnline. It's Saturday morning, June 29th, 2024. I have just come to my office, bed head, hat head, unshaven, everything. Not exactly how I plan to start my Saturday morning, but there's something that's going on Amazon today. We're breaking this news on our YouTube channel and want to get ahead of this to help you out, okay? There's some crazy glitch going on right now with Amazon where they are sending out policy violations on thousands and thousands and thousands of listings, claiming that they're restricted items because they are a seed or a plant. Okay. So if you're waking up this morning and you're getting all these violations in your Amazon seller catalog about how your products are going to be removed by July 1st because they've been identified as a seed or plant, don't panic. You're not alone, okay? So actually on the drive in this morning, I uploaded a YouTube short. You should see it on the channel. I'll also link that short here to this longer video, okay? But let's talk about what's going on really quick. First, I want to back up and just introduce myself again. For those that don't know, my name's Fred McKinnon, and I own E-BusinessOnline. We're a full-service Amazon agency and other third-party marketplaces. So this is what we do for our clients. We help run your entire Amazon channel. If you're a brand and you're creating products, we're there to help you, okay? So I am a seller and have been for over 20 years with multiple brands on Amazon, as well as owning an agency. So when this happens, our agency clients are waking up, their inboxes are full with these warning and these violations from Amazon. They don't have to stress about it. They don't have to worry about it. They just ping us and let us know. And even on a Saturday morning, our team, man, we're burning it up. We're going to take care of this. But typically, I've seen this in 20 years of selling on Amazon. I've seen this so many times, okay? There's some glitch that happens and it misfires, some AI bot, something all just misfires this massive, massive erroneous classification of tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of products on Amazon incorrectly. All right. Today's one is seeds and plants, live plants. I joked in my short that somebody at Amazon's had a little too many seeds and stems, maybe from some plants in California, to make this mistake. Nevertheless, don't panic. You're not alone. Okay. So number one, you're not alone. Number two, let's talk about what to do. Now, what we're hoping and praying is that already the Crazies in Seattle or wherever this came from have been notified of their mistake, and they're working and scrambling to fix it. And they'll send out just as many mass emails saying, we apologize. Well, no, they never apologize. Never do they apologize. They won't. They'll say, we sent you this in error. It was an error. Disregard. Hopefully that's what happens. But in the meantime, on seller accounts where this is happening, you are actually getting policy violations in your account. They're actually showing up. They're in your account and you can see them and you can go ahead and appeal. And you can also bulk appeal all of them at once. We recommend never adding more than 99 Asens to a single case. Somewhere we heard, that it's better to not do more than 100 at once. But you can add them all at once and you go to your account health and your performance notifications and you just want to check the box. It looks a little bit something like this. Let me put on the old specs. It looks a little like this, okay? And so here's an example of one here. Address your listing violation. This product has been identified as not being permitted for sale on Amazon. It's your obligation, yada, yada, yada. Well, they're wrong because my widget is not a plant and it's not a seed, all right? So you can go through here and check this out and make a decision on what you want to do. And then what you want to do is appeal here, reason for appeal, and then say, we believe this to be a erroneous identification. This is not a seed or a plant and can easily be verified. And then under this multiple Asens, then yeah, you want to add as many of your Asens up to 100 as you can. Maybe do 50 at a time per case if you have a lot of them. Go on and get that submitted. Get ahead of the game if you can. If you happen to be a client with an agency, your agency should be able to handle this. So like I've called all hands on deck with E-BusinessOnline with our agency. It's all hands on deck right now to address all of these across the board with all of our clients through the weekend. That's what we do. But at the end of the day, like I said, it's not a big deal. This is going to go away. This is obviously a glitch. They'll probably catch this and auto reverse it before the July 1 deadline to have this addressed. But in the meantime, it is wise to acknowledge policy violations, even when they're total nonsense, and try to go on and get those removed off of your account health as soon as possible. Hey, I hope this helps. Not doing edits on this video, not doing fancy anything on this video, because I want to get it out right now. I'm going to upload it just the way it is, and I hope that it helps you. If it does, it'd be an awesome blessing to me if you subscribe. Always in my videos asking you to subscribe to my channel and thanking you, because I know there's a bazillion talking heads and gurus out there talking about e-commerce. All right, well, this one has been at it for more than 2 decades and knows a thing or two. So I'm grateful to have you following my channel. Hey, throw me a thumbs up on this video, drop a comment. Let me know if you were impacted by this. If you got this warning, drop a comment and let us all know. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, again, Fred McKinnon here with eBusiness Online. Hey, you know what? If you're still watching, it feels really weird for me to say that, because as you will see in the next maybe 2 weeks or sooner, that name's changing. That's right. Big changes coming to eBusiness Online, some rebranding, a new agency name, a new agency look, new logos, new website. This YouTube channel, eBusiness Online, is going to rebrand as well to the new name. The new name is going to have to wait, but it's awesome. Okay, and we can't wait to launch it, and you'll be part of that launch and transformation as a subscriber. Click that subscribe button. I'll see you soon.